Hello, this is Ron Nutter, and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter. Today we're looking at the Vivitar Close-Up Lens Kit, and 3 reasons why you need to have this item in your photography bag. Reason number 1, it gives you the ability to shoot pictures or video closer than your stock lens will allow. Now, this still may not get you exactly what you want, but this is an option before you start looking at the macro lenses, which can really do quite a bit, but that's of course way beyond what we're looking at here. Reason number 2, there are 4 different lenses that come with this. You get a +1, +2, +4, and +10. Now you can stack those and you'll learn the different combinations that will work best for you. You might find the 1 and the 2 or the 1 and the 4. It just depends on how close you're trying to get and what detail you're trying to get captured. Reason number 3, it comes with a wallet to protect the filters from damage. Now you see I've got mine, I still left mine in the plastic wrap because it's just one more level of protection. Depending on how you're using this, you may not want to do that, but you need to keep either some wipe cloths with you, or get some of the lens cleaning towelettes that are disposable, and that way you can make sure these are clean. Because one time I made a lens change, I looked at it, thought it was okay, didn't see it in the picture till it was, several weeks afterwards, that there was just a little flicker or something up there. So think about that when you're taking these on and off, just to take that 1 extra second to make sure that there's nothing dangling out there that's impossible to get photoshopped out.